Everything I touch on this thing is fighting me. What are the odds? What are the odds? Watch this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Alright, we have, let's see, there's 4s on, I guess they're all on the right. There's 1s on the 4 and 1. I don't know what 4 and 1 means, but this little part right here is a Ford script. We've got Ford scripts on the left, 4 and 1 on the right. If anybody knows what those numbers are, 4 and 1, let me know. Because I don't. I've never bothered to be curious about it before. But we could go through and try to take all these screws out, but that would suck. So instead of sucking, we're going to do it the easy way. Watch your ears. Man, I got my pants. It's very easy because they're broken. Come on. The alternative here, and that you're probably all yelling at the TV, but the alternative is to unscrew these, and you can't because they're peened over, 100 years old and stuck. It's easier to do it this way and then put some vice grips on the part and use the vice grips. Okay, that one was cracked. Because if it wasn't, it wouldn't have broken. Okay, so we had one broken, well, one cracked magnet that would not have survived if I had reused it. And 15 good ones. Let's take a look at this side now that it's lighter. On this side, you can see, if I can, maybe I can zoom in on the software. You see there's 2 little dots there. 2 little dots there. There's 1 dot on that one. A couple all the way around. And what I'm going to do, let me get some of this off. Ooh, wow, found a cut. Oh, that stings. Yep, found a cut. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind these off. That's the plan. Okay, so we're going to grind these off. Can you see? You can see. Go down a little bit. What am I using? Oh, it's a flap wheel. Yeah, it'll work. Well, we destroyed that. If you don't know why I just did that, you ain't paying attention. Check out our broken ones. Bent and disgusting. And this one doesn't appear to be as bent. Should I name this episode? Flywheel Magneto. Alien Autopsy. That one's a little bent too. All right, let's readjust for the heads that we have. You spend a little time up front, like pounding those magnets out. It makes this so much easier. If I were to fight these, I'd be stripping the screws, saying a lot of colorful language. Now, pounding them out was difficult, but compared to getting these out to set those free, no, thank you. Come on, now stay up. Come on now. See? I just crushed that. This is soft, soft brass. And this one wants to aggravate me. Okay, so this is all stripped down. There's just one more thing I want to get out of it. I'm going to try and leave the ring gear on. Hopefully it stays on. That way I can't mix it up and put it on backwards by accident. Key word here is try. Okay, one stripped flywheel. Now I got to clean it all up. Can't believe how long that took. It's terrible. Everything's fighting me on this. Everything I touch on this thing's fighting me. What are the odds? What are the odds? Watch this. What are the odds one of them landed standing up? put on it. It still sure is heavy. Okay. We're going to get back to cleaning. And then if our parts ever arrive, look at the gouges that this left. It was just eating into that thing. Alright, let's start getting this stuff cleaned up and then we'll move on to the next thing in the next episode of the Chicken Coupe. Yeah, that's all I got.